Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write on templates in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, to get a template, which is pretty much just a design, you go into your left toolbar and click on Design, which is in the very top of the toolbar. It's in a different language for me, but it shouldn't matter really. You just take a template from here. Some are free, some are Canva Premium, or Canva Pro, so make sure you pick one that you can actually use. Take this for example, and as you can see, it opened up a template. Now this template has text boxes of its own, but let's say I want to add another one. You go into text, which is the third from the top, add either main text, subtitles, titles, add whatever you want. You can use even some designs if you would like, for example tech glitch, and that will create a text box with a certain amount of options. Now I'll delete the tech glitch just to show you guys how you can add, for example, a normal text box. Of course, you'll need to format this in the same format as the actual design if you want to make sure it's the same. As you can see, this is Martel 91.1 size, and this is Open Sans 52. You could just change it to that manually, or you can copy and paste this by clicking on it, or clicking on this here text box, clicking Control C, then Control V, and that will create a exact copy of that text box, and then you can change it to whatever you want. For example, I just added some random text. Let me just delete this text box, drag this one here, and as you can see, it has the exact same options. But yeah, that is pretty much how you write on a already existing template. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.